Hi, it's Dr. Jantz. Is social media turning us into a narcissistic person? Have that narcissistic personality? Look, self-centeredness, let's just use that word. And this is just a quick highlight of some of the things here in the blog and articles, but I just want to, this is such an important one. Let me just mention that narcissistic, and I've got some great notes here, narcissistic traits like self-centeredness and entitlement. Look for that. Can social media cause you to feel entitled? It can make you feel like you're left out and everybody else is looking good and having a great life and have everything. And so I should have it too. That happens. So seeking online validation, seeking approval, getting likes, hearts, etc. It's like, it's all about me, and I'm looking for that for approval. Yes, that can be kind of narcissistic feeling. It's like, and you can develop into a craving for more and more approval. All right. Narcissistic traits. I wrote down 3. Self-importance, a constant need for admiration, and a total lack of empathy. Okay. And there's the grandiose narcissistic personality. They're just out there with it all. Their personality get you. There is the covert, more kind of underground, and they're doing manipulation, and it can be a lot of manipulation. All right. Here's, as I see it, social media's role in narcissistic behavior. Social media, if you over promote yourself and you're seeking validation, I'm just constantly over promoting myself. It's all about me. It's all my pictures and it's all about me. And I'm getting all the admiration for everything. And I'm using filters and changing how I look and people love me. That really can promote a narcissistic personality trait. The whole selfie culture that you can get so, come on, we've seen like way too many selfies and we don't need one every 5 minutes a day, or what you're doing or where you are. What is that doing? What need is that meeting? It can really shift us from just being authentic to really seeking external validation. Do you see my picture? You like it? All right. Tips for managing. This is, again, just really fast overview. Sometime we got to figure out how to limit screen time. Got to limit screen time. And setting daily time boundaries. And can you stay in those time boundaries? The guardrails of self-control. Being more mindful, thoughtful, intentional in the postings, what you share versus am I just trying to seek some attention here? And then we've got to look at real relationships, real connections. Do you put a prime time on real-time relationships? Is that something you're doing? And then there are times where we need a detox. We need to take a break, a little detox from it all. Even if it's a day, try going a day. And then there's times where we need to unfollow what I call toxic accounts. These are the narcissistic accounts that promote unrealistic comparisons, so vain, so inappropriate, shall we say, and maybe so sexualized. This is not good, and we know it. All right. I wrote a book called Social Media and Depression. It's about a 100-page book that gets into even more of this information. There's times where we do develop a social media, technology, digital addiction, and it's real. We see it in the lives of clients that we work with. And there needs to be an intervention and a breaking off of what that is doing in a person's life. Kind of like a gaming addict. Okay, a lot more information in the article. And this is a real issue that may need to be really addressed.